If you've ever started a slow cooker recipe only to realize you need another pan just to brown the meat first, this could save you a surprising amount of hassle. The Hamilton Beach Sear Cook lets you sear, slow cook, and keep food warm without constantly moving everything between different pots. This is a large 10-quart programmable slow cooker designed for families, meal preppers, and anyone who regularly cooks for a crowd. Its removable nonstick pot can go directly on gas, electric, or ceramic stovetops, so you can brown meat and vegetables before switching over to slow cooking. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The biggest thing to understand about this cooker is that it isn't really trying to be just another crock pot. The stovetop-safe cooking pot is the centerpiece. Instead of searing a roast in a separate skillet and then transferring it into the slow cooker, you can do that initial browning in the same pot. Fewer dishes and fewer transfers make the whole cooking process feel much more streamlined. The 10-quart capacity is seriously large. Hamilton Beach says it can serve 12 or more people, and it has enough room for a turkey up to 10 pounds or a roast up to 12 pounds. For everyday cooking for 1 or 2 people, this is obviously more cooker than you need. But if you're feeding a large family, hosting holidays, or preparing big batches of chili, pulled pork, soup, or stew, that extra space becomes a real advantage. The removable aluminum pot is also lighter than a traditional ceramic crock. That's worth appreciating because a large slow cooker can become surprisingly heavy once it's full of food. Being able to lift the cooking vessel more easily makes serving and transferring leftovers less awkward. For programming, you get 15 heating combinations using high, low, or warm settings paired with cooking times of 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10 hours. It's not an overwhelming control system, and it gives you enough flexibility for recipes with different cooking requirements. Once the cooking cycle ends, the cooker automatically switches to warm, which is particularly useful when dinner isn't going to be served the exact moment the timer finishes. In real-world use, the searing function is probably the feature you'll appreciate most. Browning meat before slow cooking can add another layer of flavor, and being able to do it in the same vessel saves cleanup. Just remember that the stovetop-safe pot is designed for gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops, so you want to make sure you're using it on a compatible surface. The nonstick interior should also make cleanup easier than dealing with a traditional heavy ceramic crock. Still, because you're working with a nonstick surface, using appropriate utensils and avoiding unnecessary scratching is a good idea. And with a 10-quart cooker, even an easy-to-clean pot could take a little time simply because there's a lot of surface area. The main downside is size. This thing takes up substantial storage and counter space, and it can be excessive if most of your meals serve only a few people. It's also not the best choice if you're looking for a compact slow cooker that's easy to move around every day. Compared with a conventional crock pot-style slow cooker, the Hamilton Beach stands out because of its stovetop-safe searing pot and enormous capacity. A smaller programmable slow cooker will make more sense for everyday family dinners, while this model is better suited to entertaining and large batch cooking. The ability to sear and slow cook in one vessel is also a meaningful convenience rather than just another feature on the box. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Sear Cook is a strong choice for anyone who regularly cooks large meals and wants to reduce the number of pots involved. The 10-quart capacity, stovetop searing, programmable settings, lightweight pot, and automatic keep warm function all serve a practical purpose. If you're feeding a crowd or preparing big batches, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. If this review helped, like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen appliance reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.